again I find my back is up against the wall. Will somebody help me? Please hear my call, or get a message to my dog and he'll be on the ball. Cause everybody need a friend that they can depend on, someone who could help them out of a situation. Only a friend alone can understand my pain. If only I could get a message to my great pain. And I know that
even if it means he'd have to fly like a bird, I know he'll be here for me now, and that's my word. Scooby Doo, where are you? Got some work to do now. Scooby Doo, where are you? Need some help from you now.
Once again I'm in a jam. Once again I never seem to ever have a plan. You hear me? I'm in trouble, man. Can you lend a hand? Right now I am reaching out to Scooby and the gang. Sure feels good to find a friend that you can lean on. Friend who would believe you if you say you saw a green man. And even though sometimes I'm a little out of whack, I never worry much. I know my dog has got my back, and I know that
Scooby Doo, where are you? Got some work to do now. Scooby Doo, where are you? Need some help from you now.
Fred?
Velma? Are you going this way?
How have you,
Been?
Yes.
Great, great. I'm on the lecture circuit with my new book, Fred on Fred, The Many Faces of Me. And in chapter 7, I detail how the Black Knight ghost was no supernatural phenomenon, but a cowardly yet ingenious man in a mask. I induced this from a nearly imperceptible detail that a man of a lesser skill would have passed over as irrelevant. A zipper in the back of the head. Now, later, for $5, you can come up and touch it. Any questions? Yes?
Yeah. Why do you suck? Oh,
Yeah.
who dyes your hair?
Oh, look to her. Jinkies, that's impressive.
And yourself?
I've been working at NASA, developing hydro-powered missile defense systems. But more importantly, I'm on a journey of self-discovery.
Velma, when did you first experience these feelings of low self-esteem?
Well, for a long time, I was part of a group where I didn't get the attention I deserved.
Which group was it?
Mystery Inc.
Wow, Fred Jones.
And that giant dog.
Oh, and remember Daphne? She was so hot.
I don't remember a Thelma.
NASA, huh?
Charter service to Spooky Island will begin boarding momentarily.
What do you mean it's too many carry-on bags?
That?
Crap.
Oh no. I'm not talking to you guys. What the heck are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? We all received the same letter from one Emil Mondavarius, the reclusive owner of Spooky Island.
It's not fair. I was gonna solve a mystery all by myself for the first time ever.
How are you going to save yourself when you get caught?
I'm not like that anymore. I've transformed my body into a dangerous weapon. It's true. Ah! My opponent is my insecurity. My strength is my resolve.
Excellent, Daphne. Now, summon your chi. You are no longer helpless. Your body is a dangerous weapon.
My
Remember, the path to independence is winding and most difficult.
Yeah, I know.
인신 여태과용 도모사야.
So just, you know, watch it.
This place gives me the creeps. The creeps in a good kind of way.
Ha 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 ha! Welcome to Spooky Island.
It's not real, Scoob.
Is that dude and his dog that used to solve mysteries?
They were part of a larger group. Mystery Inc.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Velma,
Oh,
the smart one.
oh right. Cool. And you've always been a chick? Sure.
Hear the history of Spooky Island in 10 minutes at the Ring of Fire.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You be like heaven to touch. Oh God, I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Da 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 da. I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night.
She does know that bloody skulls are non-alcoholic, doesn't she?
Trust in me when I say, oh, baby, don't bring me down, I pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay. I want to love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true.
You know what I'm saying, G?
No.
You're wearing makeup. What's going on?
I'm just getting my swerve on. Right, ladies? Give it up.
You go, girl! What about the creatures?
Hold up. There is one thing I do remember those creatures doing. Uh-huh. That half scream. Scream? Uh-huh. Kind of like...
You snuck up on me, you jerk. Let me out! This can't be good. No, 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 no! Hey, put back my spirit thingy. That is so uncool. And you're messing up my hair. You're a jerk. Capital J-E.
Accord. Blank North.
Scoob.
It didn't work the first 8 times you did it either.
I really am dead right.
Then why are you talking?
Rupert,